Hello, and welcome back. In today's video, we'll cover processing screens in Acumatica, using process orders as an example. Processing screens in Acumatica follow a similar layout. A processing screen in Acumatica allows you to process multiple records at once. In this example, processing sales orders. Just below, you'll see record actions, including refreshing the list of records, reloading the list of records from the server, processing the selected rows, processing all rows, scheduling this process using our scheduling tool, fit columns to screen, as well as exporting the rows to Excel. Just below, you'll see parameters for the processing screen. In the example of processing sales orders, you'll see different actions that you're able to take. Acumatica will filter records in the rows below based on the action and if they qualify for processing. You might also see additional parameters, in this example, selecting by the ship date, cancel by, or order date, as well as the start date, shipment date, end date, customer, carrier, ship via code, and warehouse. Just below in the details area, you'll see rows that are possible to process with this configuration. To process a single row or collection of specific rows, use the Selected checkbox on the left-hand side of the screen, followed by the Process button. Use the Process All button instead, which will ignore your selection and process all rows. In this example, both rows in the list below. That's a simple overview of the processing screen in Acumatica. Remember, you can always schedule processing screens. As a process is running, you can navigate away from the screen at any time. If you do not navigate away, Acumatica will show a progress bar indicating the time elapsed to process all records. Thanks for joining us.